we consider yet another problem from vector calculus. This is the second problem on vectors. This is a problem which appeared in a joint entrance examination main held on 20th July 2021 in the morning shift, and it is the second problem from vector algebra. The example is, let A bar vectors A bar, B bar, C bar be three mutually perpendicular vectors of the same magnitude and equally inclined at an angle theta with the vector A bar plus B bar plus C bar. Then 36 cos square 2 theta is equal to dash. Solution. First, A bar, B bar, C bar are the three vectors which are mutually perpendicular vectors. That means they are pairwise perpendicular. That means if you take any two and take their dot product is equal to 0. A bar dot B bar is equal to B bar dot C bar is equal to C bar dot A bar is equal to 0. They are because they are mutually perpendicular. The second one is A bar, B bar, C bar, the three vectors have the same magnitude. That means the mod of A bar is equal to mod of B bar is equal to mod of C bar. Third, these three vectors A bar, B bar, C bar are equally inclined to the vector A bar plus B bar plus C bar at an angle theta. So, if you take A bar and take the dot product with A bar plus B bar plus C bar, you will get A bar dot A bar plus B bar plus C bar is equal to mod of the first vector, mod A bar into mod of the second vector, modulus of A bar plus B bar plus C bar into cos of the angle between them, that is theta. And now look at the left hand side. The vector A bar dot A bar is mod A bar square. A bar dot B bar is 0. A bar dot C bar is 0. You will get mod A bar square is equal to modulus of A bar into modulus of A bar plus B bar plus C bar into cos theta, and cancel off mod A on one side. On both sides we get mod A is equal to mod of A plus mod of A bar plus B bar plus C bar into cos theta. That is the equation 1, which you have to remember. Carry forward this in the next slide. We have that vector here. Modulus of A bar is equal to modulus of A bar plus B bar plus C bar into cos theta. That is the equation 1. Now, modulus of A bar plus B bar plus C bar is equal to the vector dot itself. That is A bar plus B bar plus C bar dot product with A bar plus B bar plus C bar. So you see, A bar dot A bar mod A bar square, A bar dot B bar is 0, A bar dot C bar is 0. B bar dot A bar is A bar dot B bar because that is equal to 0. And B bar dot C bar is 0. C bar dot A bar is 0. C bar dot B bar is 0. C bar dot C bar is mod C bar square. So you'll get mod A square, mod B square, mod C square. And because they are of equal magnitude, this will be 3 times of mod A square, because mod A bar is equal to mod B bar is equal to mod C bar. So, but mod A is equal to modulus of A plus B plus C into cos theta square. Take the square. The mod A square is equal to mod of A bar plus B bar plus C bar square into cos square theta. And you cancel off mod of A bar plus B bar plus C bar square on both sides. Cancelling modulus of a bar plus b bar plus c bar, square on both sides, we get cos square theta. 3 times cos square theta is 1. You get cos square theta is equal to 1 by 3. We'll now find cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1, and cos square theta is 1/3, that is 2 by 3 minus 1. You will get minus 1 by 3. And now 36 times cos square 2 theta will be 36 times minus 1 by 3 whole square, that is 36 into 1 by 9, that is equal to 4. So that's your answer. 36 cos square 2 theta is equal to 4. The dash is to be filled with 4. The answer is 4. Thus, this completes the discussion of the solution of the problem. It is a easy problem, and go on working out some more problems of this type. And you have to remember a lot of formulae, and you have to prepare a chart and go on remembering them. I wish you all the best. Thank you.